Enjoy Vietnamese grilled pork? In this video, I will show you another way to enjoy grilled pork from the tip of your fingers. Let's make some Vietnamese grilled pork spring rolls. This is Melanie from Fish Sauce Mama. Subscribe and turn on the bell for weekly Vietnamese Asian home cook. I posted a video on how to do a Vietnamese grilled pork and it was so well received. So here I am back to give you another recipe. Check out my other video in the description down below after you watch this one. Let's cook. First, we are going to boil a big pot of water for our noodle. While it's boiling, let's go over the noodles. I have rice noodle here that I picked up from the Asian store. If you can't find rice noodle, you can substitute with angel hair noodle or just regular spaghetti. Sauce is already been made and I forgot the video, but check out my other videos for more details. I also add a couple of tablespoons of minced garlic and shallot and minced lemongrass. Check out my other videos. Don't worry, they're all in here. I will link to the description down below. And here are some of the ingredients for the pork. And stay tuned until the end of this video where I'll show you my best tip how to grill for best results. About 4 pounds of pork shoulders or Boston's butt in here, marinated and mixed it all up. I wrapped it up and leave it there on the counter for about 30 minutes while I prepare my vegetables and noodles. So I just grabbed me some mint. I love these mints. This is garlic chives and some mint that I have. Some basils. Look at that nice salad. Vegetables. I got lettuce. You can use cucumber or mint of any kinds that you like. The water is boiling. I add my noodles. Give it a quick stir to separate so they don't stick together. Once that's done, turn the heat off and set it for 12 minutes and rinse later. In the meantime, let's grill. I laid all my meat on there. Give it a good spray. And then close the lid for 5 minutes. Comment down below if you ever had grilled pork spring rolls before and let me know. After 5 minutes, I flipped and then did the same. Already wrapped up. Let it cool down and cut it up into strips like this, which is lined up with my roll. And that piece of fat that gave me the flavor and the smoky flavor, I am not going to eat that, so it's sitting aside there. Everything is ready, meat and vegetables and noodles. Wet your rice paper and lay down your meat. Get some noodles, some vegetables, some lettuce, some cucumbers, some mint, garlic chive, basil, mint, whatever you have. And give it a push forward and tuck it in and keep rolling. And remember to tuck the sides in. I like to tuck the sides in because it gives the rolls the neat looking and the meat and the vegetable and the noodles doesn't fall out. And voila! That is so beautiful. I have 3 here ready to roll with my nice fish sauce. That looks really, really delicious, guys. Give it a taste. I gotta tell you, you've got to try this. This balance of a little bit of noodles, a lot of vegetables, and some meat, some protein, a lot of flavor. I do this very often with my family. This is a great way where everybody gather together, help out with the grilling, the washing of the salad, the vegetables, and so much interaction, so much talking, so much love going on. You can do this for your family also. Try this out the next time when you have a party or just have a few of your members over. Surprise them with this awesome recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up to let me know. Subscribe for more future video and comment down below to let me know if you would like for me to show you this sweet Vietnamese fish sauce that I've nailed it. I can't wait to share with you. This Vietnamese sweet fish sauce you can use with so many dishes. You can use with noodles, you can use with sandwich, you can use with rice. You can dip it in with spring rolls. It's so easy to use and it's addictive. Here are my tips. Get you some cooking spray and some aluminum foil wrapped on a plate. I wrap the cups down so that the wind wouldn't fly away. It did one day. And a couple of tongs ready, one for clean one, and when after everything is cooked. Give it a quick spray to coat the grate before I put on the meat when the first round. And after this cooked both sides, this is a good time to grab the other tongue. Give it a quick spray, with the cooking spray to keep it moist. That's it guys for this video, and don't forget to check out the other videos down in the description below, and also link it to my end card here. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to check out my playlist for other videos. See you next time. Bye bye.